So I had a failure and I had to sell it at the same time. And pretty much from there, I was like, shit, what do I do now?
Yeah.
I had everything. Like, I had a bunch of money. And,
Sure.
you know,
So
I had
you got the $500,000 from that to then invest?
Well, I was doing it annually, you know, so I was making maybe like $200,000 a year,
Okay.
you know. And I was young, dude, so I didn't really save any money.
Still are young. How old are you?
29.
29?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
But I've been doing this for like 10 years, you know.
Okay.
Since I was 18, I've been running businesses.
Uh-huh.
And when I lost everything, I had to go move in with a low-income housing Hispanic family.
Okay.
I had a California king-size bed.
And that was like 4 years ago, 3 years ago?
This was before I started this business, so
Okay.
4 years ago. Yeah. And I had a California king-size bed that I put in the bedroom that there was only like this much walking space on each
just like
side of the
literally
building.
a bedroom.
Yeah,
Like,
literally a bed, dude, in a room. And I was like, shit, what am I gonna do now? And I realized that starting a cleaning business, there was no cost startup.
Yeah.
And so I picked up a squeegee and a freaking, you know,
your supplies,
T-bar.
$50 to start
$50
up.
at freaking Walmart.
Yeah.
And I was ready to roll.
That's awesome.
First year I did 40 grand.
Wow.
Barely.
Yeah.
Second year, I built it to $500,000 again.
That's amazing, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
That intuition, that drive, that's pretty badass. Hence the self-made.
Yeah. So then three years later, we started the coaching program because we're like, dude, something I'm doing is working.
It's working, man. It's working.
So let's help other people. So now we got new.
That's badass.
We got people that we're helping right now.
Doing some cleaning consulting.
Yep.
All right, bro. There's a little poke right here.
Yeah, you're good, bro.
That's the worst part.
It's all good. This is really cool, though. I mean, when I checked it out, I was like, I didn't even know they did anything like this.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
there's
are
a
you
bunch
like?
of other companies.
Yeah, I
but
saw that.
What makes us unique is we'll come to you. A lot of places,
I like that.
a lot of places will be closed on Saturday or Sunday. That's like 80% of our business. A lot of places also want you to drive into a location. When you're hungover, you don't want to drive 45 minutes on a Sunday. So
Sure. Or if you're in business, you don't want to.
exactly,
You don't got time.
I've put them in a bunch of business people, CEOs, people in their bedroom that can't get out of their bed. Like,
Oh,
you name
wow.
it. All that stuff. So I just do this on the side. I'm an ER nurse. That's my full-time job.
That's what I was
just do
thinking.
this for
This
fun.
is kind of like a subcontract
Exactly.
type deal, right?
I mean, yeah, they put it on the app. And they'll say who can go see this patient at this time. Whoever responds.
Kind of
first.
like an Uber type deal. You
Kinda like
get
it.
a cut.
Exactly.
right?
I get my cut and then tip on top of that. So it's nice. I'm never forced to work. Like I don't have to work this whole entire day. It's up to me. Whatever mood I'm in. So
Yeah.
nice little gig, man. No complaints. I'm gonna do some charting real quick. This will take like 10 minutes.
You're
Dripping
good.
real quick.
Yeah, do your thing. Yeah, this is cool. I saw this online. I saw some other guy doing it, and I thought it would be good for me. Just I was feeling a little sick, and I wanted to boost my immune system. So called this up. It's called Drip, and that's what you guys are called, right?
Yeah,
Drip hydration. And I guess a lot of people would do it if they had a bad night of drinking, and they wake up in the morning and they got to go, do business or whatever, and they can't really get their mind right. For me personally, there was a immunity boost type one where I was feeling kind of under the weather, and I'm like, dude, I need to get my head on right. I'm going to Cabo next week for an entire week. And yesterday I never drink hot coffee, but I was ordering hot coffee. That's how I felt. I just felt under the weather. Hopefully it helps at least get some of my vitals back and just kind of get some immunity back into me. But yeah, I think this is something I'm gonna probably do on the regular, maybe like once a month. What do you think? Like once a month?
Yeah, I know people that do it once a week.
Okay.
You could do it, technically you could do it like, I think every 3 days you could do it.
Every
But
3 days.
Once a month, if you're feeling extra stressed for a certain week, if you have a lot of stuff going on, you want to be your best coming up, definitely recommend.
Is there a different one for stress? I noticed there was something for stress.
I don't know. They're always changing the packages, and they don't really alert us. So whatever's online is the most up to date. You can
Okay.
also kind of customize stuff too. So did you speak with a nurse practitioner?
I spoke to somebody, yeah.
Yeah. So like in the future, you could say, I kind of want to mix these two together, and they can say, we'll give you some vitamins, we'll give you this. You could like make your own bag.
That's kind of cool.
Nice. So just make sure to let them know kind of what you want it for.
Yeah.
And they'll put together the best product for you.
That's awesome.